Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Admission open for playgroup, pre-nursery and nursery. Angels Play School, Upper Lachimia, Shillong. Contact 98635 or 6009322
Bull, a specially designed machine that is stronger, faster, more powerful and fuel efficient. Contact Orange Automobile at 977-400-3555 or 961-584-7757.
Unang Ïalam kaliang Mrssa u Dr. Mukul sangma ha kasautrik ulber arajar apsan ula Kynnoh baka Sorkar jala Ïalam Bakla Halor ka hukum jong ka yeng bishar High Court ha ka beidai bat ka jing penyang yak ki khardop talasi ne ki entry exit point kumbala kadau ha ka an Meghalaya Residence Safety and Security Act 2016 ha ka jekran bat kilat pathai khubor u Dr. Mukul ulaong baka Mrssa arajar khan riu kala banlong kum ka waipat kalat ban la ban khanglat bat ka bala ban telakam yak ka jingwan rong kerthep jong ki priu ki banabar bat ki menderi.
A much more effective weapon, legislative weapon, legal weapon for the authorities. Rangbasnongs are empowered by these to regulate, the stay in their own respective neighborhood. It is not just for the whole state. It is not a law which empowers only the authorities under the government, but it also has empowered our traditional institutions, our Rangbasnongs, because sometimes, when you depend on the authorities under the various departments of the government, sometimes you never know. Political influence may have some ramification on the overall commitment of the concerned officers under the government to compromise in certain cases. We have seen it. We continue to see. Otherwise, why is it that in many of the countries where they have such a stringent anti-immigration law, they are still suffering from illegal immigration? Because there has been a compromise. There must be compromise. How can otherwise all people with illegal background who have actually entered countries illegally are still at large? It is because sometimes authorities who are supposed to enforce these provisions of law do end up compromising. Therefore, today, Meghalaya Residence Safety and Security Act is such an act which ensures legal participation of our traditional institutions, including the power vested upon them. So it's something I'm happy with the act. I'm happy with the act, and let us implement this act, whether railway or no railway also. This act is necessary, keeping in mind what is happening all across the country and all across the globe. We are seeing what is happening in Europe. Europe is having a serious problem. US is having a serious problem. So aren't we having problem? We also are having problem. We already have problem. So let us not wait until a problem becomes irreversible. So because there is a saying, what cannot be cured must be endured. I think we should not land up in that kind of situation. Prevention is better than cure. Even in the last session, when this issue was brought before the August House in the form of resolution, you will recollect what was the reply of the government. You look at the order of the Honorable High Court, it doesn't say what they say. They are misinterpreting the judgment of the High Court. Honestly, you read the law, you read the judgment. What does the judgment say? Judgment is very clear. I asked the Honorable Deputy CM to place on the table, to lay it on the table of the House, the judgment of the Honorable High Court, the ruling of the Honorable High Court pertaining to that issue. So it is available in the House. You read it. So they don't know how to interpret the ruling of the High Court or what, or they are trying to, somehow, hide under the so-called order of the Honorable High Court in order to somehow refrain from implementing the responsibility based on the mandate of the Act. I will put it that way. It is nothing but complete misleading.